Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming exact iOS and Honista versions so you know compatibility boundaries. Open Settings and check Software Update, then Honista App Info, write down version numbers. Next, backup messages and keyboard preferences to iCloud or a local encrypted backup so you can restore if needed. Once done, enable Honista's debug or developer logs if the app exposes them. This gives diagnostic output to track emoji rendering flow and locate where the mapping fails. You now reproduce the issue while recording timestamps and screenshots to correlate with logs. Open Honista, send problematic emoji, and note whether replacement or blank glyphs appear. Then inspect your keyboard layout, region, and any custom fonts or font managers that override Apple Color emoji. Those often break glyph fallback. Once done, compare the Honista pack or its internal asset names against system Unicode code points. Mismatched names or a missing glyph in the app bundle explains most failures. You will repair by adding or renaming emoji assets to match Unicode code points the system expects. Follow app asset naming conventions precisely. If Honista uses a bundle update, apply the latest emoji pack or patch the asset map, then clear the app cache, force quit, and restart your device to flush font caches. Once done, test the same messages, make sure all emoji render correctly. If issues remain, send the collected logs, screenshots, and exact reproduction steps to Honista support for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.